Apple might be gearing up to make a major move. Forget everything you know. Well, almost everything. Looks like the iPhone SE 4 could be getting a brand new identity. Rumor has it that Apple might drop the SE branding and rebrand it as the iPhone 16e. Yeah, you heard that right, the iPhone 16e. This change suggests Apple's looking to shake things up with its affordable smartphone lineup. The iPhone SE has always been that sweet spot between premium features and mid-range pricing, but this next version seems like it's going even further. According to leaks from Digi, the iPhone SE 4 could come out as the iPhone 16e, signaling a fresh direction for Apple's budget-friendly phones. And it gets better, this might be the first iPhone to feature Apple's in-house 5G modem. Big step for the company, right? This device could be part of the iPhone 16 family. So if this rumor is true, we might see an iPhone 16 right alongside those flagship models. A reliable tipster, Fixed Focus Digital, says Apple's ditching the SE branding and giving the affordable iPhone a more modern look with a full-screen design. Goodbye, old SE style. Now, not everyone is backing up this leak yet, but it makes sense given Apple's history of rebranding. Remember the iPhone 5S and iPhone 5C. If this does happen, it could mean we'll have to wait a little longer for the iPhone SE 4 or 16e, whatever you want to call it. There's also talk that Apple might keep the SE series more compact, possibly sticking with a fingerprint sensor instead of fully jumping into Face ID or other newer tech. Nothing is confirmed yet, but we'll probably have more clarity by March when Apple announces new products. What do you think? Would Apple really rename the SE to iPhone 16e? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you want the latest leaks and tech updates, be sure to join our Telegram channel, links in the description. For those who want premium features without breaking the bank, the iPhone SE 4 might just be the perfect middle ground. If these leaks are accurate, the iPhone 16e could really change the game, offering cutting-edge tech at a reasonable price while introducing a whole new vibe to the iPhone lineup. So, what are your thoughts? Do you think this leak has legs? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next video. Take care.